What's up guys, my name is Andre and welcome to a new video. In this video today I want to show you how to fix a problem that I was having with Fraps for a long time and no one was able to give me an answer how to properly do this. So I bring you this tutorial today on how I fixed it. First of all, I want to say that this tutorial will only work on CPUs that are at least dual core because of the way that this tutorial actually will fix things. So first of all, you have to open up the task manager. My Windows is in Portuguese, but it's basically the same steps. Right click on the toolbar right here, open up the task manager, and then you want to find a process called taskmrg.exe. Then you want to right click and open file location. Then you can close this task manager. Then you right click on task mrg and run as administrator. Now what you want to find is a process called fraps.exe, and then you right click on it and set affinity. And then you want to mark all the other threads except the last one. Give it OK. Then you open the game that you want to record. I'm opening up Counter-Strike 1.6. Then you can see that the process of the Counter-Strike is called hl.exe, but you will do this with the process of the game that you are running. If you don't know the name of the process of the game you are running, you can open it. You can go here on Applications in the Task Manager, right click on it, and go to Process. Then it'll select automatically the process of the game. Right click on it, set affinity, and then you unmark the last thread because this is where Fraps code is going to be running. Give it OK, and you set the priority to high, and you do the same thing with Fraps. Fraps should be around here somewhere. Fraps. Set priority high. Boom. That's it. Now Fraps code is going to run isolated from the game's code, and the game and Fraps will have different CPU times. This basically means that the game and Fraps will run on totally different areas of your processor, and thus the slower CPU time that Fraps requires is not going to interfere with the game's higher CPU time. So this will basically fix the problem. And that's it. It's simple as this. And I tried a lot of games. My CPU is a quad core. It's not a true quad core. It's a dual core with hyper-threading. So you can see right here that the way that I have Fraps running the affinity, you can see that when you try to set the affinity of Fraps without running task mrg as an administrator, it denies your access to the process. That's why you have to go here. You can see that I have a shortcut for task mrg.exe, and I can just run as administrator. Now I can set the affinity. So you can see that Fraps is running on a thread, not on a real core. Although the real core, which Fraps is running on top, it's like half the core is doing Fraps code and the other half is doing a part of the game's code. So it's basically isolated and it's going to run flawlessly. If you have like a 16 core processor, a 16 thread, sorry, or an 8 thread processor, you can set Fraps to run on at least 2 threads, so you can have higher performance if you're recording in a higher resolution. The resolution of the monitor that I just bought today is 1600 by 900, running at 76 Hz, actually 75, but I created a custom resolution so that my monitor runs at 76. There's no real reason why you would want to do that, but I just did it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If this fixed your problem, leave a thumbs up in this video. I will really enjoy it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.